Hey guys, this is my first video and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a green and gold halo eye. To begin, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in medium brown and the brow pencil to fill in my brows. To clean up the brows, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium tan. To begin my eyeshadow, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Enchanted from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and begin blending it into my crease. Next, we're going to use the shade Daddy from the James Charles palette and place it right above the Enchanted shade. We're just going to keep blending it in until there is a smooth transition between the two shades. Once we're done blending in the two previous shades, we're going to go into Social Blade from the James Charles palette and then place it right above the last shade to blend it in together to create a sort of gradient effect. Lastly, we're just going to add the shade B from the James Charles palette right above Social Blade to blend in the colors all together. Once I am done placing all the shades, I'm going to be going back and forth with the colors Social Blade and Daddy and Enchanted to build up the colors so that the transitions are smooth between all four colors. Once you feel like you have the desired effect of the gradient, you're going to begin cutting your crease into halo eye. Next, we're going to add this yellow gold color from the Juvias Place palette to the center of the lid. Once we've put all the colors down, we're going to go back in with Daddy, Enchanted, and Social Blade to make sure that the halo eye does not look too harsh and that everything looks blended in. After both eyes are complete, I'm going to go back in with Enchanted and Social Blade to put underneath my eye so that we can bring the pop of color underneath. Lastly, I just used the Better Than Sex mascara to lift up my lashes. Usually putting on some fake lashes would make the look go a lot better, but I couldn't find my lashes, so the mascara was the way to go. So this is the final look after putting in some inner corner highlight and highlight on the brow bone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.